Welcome back. Let's today we will start silk wall hanging. First of all, your requirement is that scale, lead pencil, gum stick, and paper cutter. A multicolor for use every craft page you like it easily. You can buy from any shop. First of all, your measurement like 2 centimeter width and 36 centimeter for the length. Which after that you will divide into two like 15 centimeter of each as measurement. You will draw line equally on the page as measurement and equally in last page. After that you will cut with sharp knife cutter. Before cutting you will check all pages are equally alignment and you will cut with the cutter according to SOP. It could be damage your finger, hand, and the last you will cut equally and like all the strips like this shape. The chips are had been made and after we divide by 15 you will cut with the cutter. 11 strips for requirement of one row. You take a red strip and apply gum on it one edge and other edge of fold and paste on it like make a circle or ring shape like this. Show it. I'm showing you. At the other strip you will apply gum on the one edge and pass inner side of the first ring and join their both edge equally in balance. Like the first color is completed for the starting point and take other green strips. As usually you apply gum and fold them on strips equally and other green strip inner side pass inside the circle. This is the same process like previous steps. You complete it with another color. Like others color, you will make it prepare for all the other color. Show it beautiful. Like the red color is completed like this. Like it, your red and blue, yellow, pink, brown, red. Like you complete it and you will pass the thread inside and hang out in your wall, door, balcony for the decoration wall hanging this shape. In sideway you will direction change and first you will direction will be automatically change. It's clear view close up for your watching for your scene to look after. that like is you make it for our home. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks.